Hello everyone. Man, take a look at this beautiful Silverado. Oftentimes I get the question or the comment made to me, you know, I have this small dent on my vehicle. I don't know if it's even really worth messing with. And when you have a nice of a truck as this guy has, let me tell you, you want to get that small dent removed. Just look at this truck. You know, a gentleman takes care of his vehicle when there's no rock chips. All this right here is just rose scum. Look at this. That just wipes right off. Most of it right with my finger. Beautiful truck. Here's damage. See that spot right there on the rear door? Passenger side rear door. That's what we're going to take care of today. We get that removed. This vehicle is going to be just like brand new. Okay, here we have our dent, and here we have our tool tip and our tool that we're going to use for that repair. Take that long rod, come over here, let me turn this light off. Front side of the rear door, there's a wire boot, carries a wire power from the vehicle out to this door to control your locks and your window. I move that boot out of the way. I'm going to slip in this hole and go tackle this dent. And here we are, final results. Let's see. I believe it was, I don't know. See if the camera can find it. Here's in this area right here. Well, it's gone. If I can assist you, you can find me on the web, or you can call me 731-267-9708. Thanks for watching, guys.